Wagwan John Public, you remember the artist by the name of Edley Shine from the dancehall?
We respect that, cause every time we touch the mic, them screaming boom shaka top.
Edley's still doing his thing. He's a good brethren of mine in the DC, Washington area.
It's cornmeal, mix it up and story. Am I right, miss?
Walking out the video like me MC. Your cup full of champagne, never thirsty. You have on Chanel and also Gucci. So muggle the night away.
Him and this youth named King Pen Slim have a song called
21 gun salutes. And we feed the streets when we set up shop. Y'all give with tail back, cause you know say we hot. Anything when we talk, we can defend that. And 21 gun salutes.
Click the link below, can't miss it. I'm not the one to condone violence, but you know, I make it slide for the one, yeah. Alright, go and go do your thing, Edley. This big up for you, King.
So this one fit the thugs them and the shatters them. Rah! And this one fit the gully and the Gaza them. Rah! And this one fit the dance we set the orders them.